Hello everyone, I am Sintichi B. Umamanin, a BS Math student. For today's video, I'm gonna discuss about exclusion principle in discrete mathematics. But before I jumped into exclusion principle, to make it easily to understand what is the difference between inclusion and exclusion principle, they are represented by Venn diagram.
This is what the Venn diagram look like. A union of B is equals to A plus B, which is the inclusion. And this was discussed by Michael Oliver. Just click the link in the description below. Minus A intersection of B, which is the exclusion or exclude.
My topic here is about exclusion principle only, but in every problem solution, inclusion and exclusion will be used in solving the problem. So the formula is,
So this is the formula used. A union of B union of C is equals to A plus B plus C minus A intersection of C minus A intersection of B minus B intersection of C plus A intersection of B intersection of C. It is up to the problem on how many sets given. For example,
among a group of students, 50 joins math club, 80 joins science club, and 100 students join English club. If 30 of the students joins math and science club, 10 joins science and English club, 15 joins math and English club, and 9 students joins math, science, and English club. Find the number of students in the group. Let M represent math. Let S represent as science. Let E represent English.
let's try to solve the problem. The given is M is equals to 50. S, which is science, is equals to 80. And English, which is E, is equals to 100. The M intersection of S, which is the math and science, is equals to 30. The S intersection of E, which is 10. The M intersection of E is equals to 15. And M intersection of S intersection of E is equals to 9. So the formula is M union of S union of E is equals to, this, M plus S plus E minus M intersection of S minus S intersection of E minus M intersection of E plus M intersection of S intersection of E is equals to, the M is 50 plus S is 80 plus E is 100 minus M intersection of S is 30 minus S intersection of E is 10 minus M intersection of E is 15 plus M intersection of S intersection of E is 9. So let's solve. 50 plus 80 is 130 plus 100 is 230 minus 30 is 200 minus 10 is 190 minus 15 is 175 plus 9 is equals to 184. 184. So let's check if it's correct and let's draw the Venn diagram. So this is the Venn diagram would look like, since we have 3 sets of the given problem. So let's put first the M intersection of S intersection of E, which is the center. So this is 9. Oh, by the way, this is M, S, and E. The math, science, and English. So next we put the M intersection of E. The M intersection of E is 15. This one, 15. Since we have 9 here, so 15 minus 9 is 6. 6. We put 6 here. Next is the S intersection of E, this one, which is 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Next is the M intersection of S, which is this one, 30. We have to subtract the 30 into 9. 30 minus 9 is 21. So next is the given M, which is 50. we cannot put here 50 because we put here the 21, 9, and 6, which are those who joins math and science, English, and math and science, and math, science, and English. So we subtract this to 21, 9, and 6. So 50 minus 21 minus 9 minus 6 is 14. Next is science, which is 80. So 80 minus 21, 9, and 1, which is 49. Next is the English, which is 100. 100 minus 6 minus 9 minus 1 is 84. Then simply add all the numbers inside the Venn diagram. 14 plus 49 plus 84 plus 21 plus 9 plus 1 plus 6. Let us see if we got the same answer when using the formula. 14 plus 49 is 63. 63 plus 84 is 147. 147 plus 21 is 168. 168 plus 9 is 177. 177 plus 1 is 178. 178 plus 6 is 184. So we got the same answer in using the solution. So let's have another example.
In a class, there are 200 students having lunch in the canteen. 62 students buying water, 55 buying Coke, 60 buying juice, and 26 students buying both water and juice, 20 students buying both water and Coke, 25 students buying both Coke and juice, and 10 students buying water, Coke, and juice. So how many students there are not buying water, Coke, and juice? So let A represent water, let B represent Coke, and let C represent juice.
Let's try to solve the problem. So first let us put the given. A, which is the water, is equals to 62. B, which is the Coke, is 55. C, which is the juice, is 60. What's this? Next is the A intersection of C is equals to 26. A intersection of B is equals to 20. And lastly, the B intersection of C is equals to 25. And lastly, the A intersection of B intersection of C is equals to 10. So let us write first the formula to solve it easily and fast. So A union of B union of C is equals to A plus B plus C minus A intersection of C minus A intersection of B minus B intersection of C plus A intersection of B intersection of C. So let us distribute. A is 62 plus B is 55 plus C is 60 minus A union of C is 26 minus A union of B is 20 minus B union of C is 25 plus A intersection of B intersection of C, which is 10 plus 10. I'm sorry guys. Next as we will going to solve this. 62 plus 55 is 117 plus 60 is 177 minus 26 is 151 minus 20 is 131 minus 25 is 106 and plus 10 is equals to 116. So there are 116 in all. But the question is how many students? Who bought none? None. So there are 200 students in all in the canteen. So let us subtract the 200 into 116. So 200 minus 116 is equals to 84. So let us check if we got 84 in doing the Venn diagram. So guys, this is A. By the way, this is the Venn diagram will look like. The B and the letter C. So we have to put first the A intersection of B intersection of C, which is the center. So this is 10. 10. Okay. Next is the A intersection of C, which is 26. So we have to subtract 26 to 10, which is 16. Next is B intersection of C, which is this one, 25, and we have to subtract it to 10. So this is 15. Next is the A intersection of B, which is 20, and we need to subtract it to 10, which is 10. So next is the A, which is the water, which is 62, and we have to subtract it in 10, 10, and 16. So 62 minus 10 minus 10 minus 16, which is 36 in total. So the B is Coke, which is 55, and we have to subtract it to 10, and 10, and 15, which is 20. So next is the C, which is the juice, 60, and we have to subtract it to 16, 10, and 15, which is 19. And after that, we have to add all of this. No, what I mean is we have to, add all of this and subtract to the number of students in the canteen. But simply put, 200 minus 26 minus 19 minus 20 minus 16 minus 10 minus 15 minus 10 equals 200 minus 26, which is 174, minus 19, 155, minus 20, 135, minus 16, 119, minus 10 is 109, minus 15 is 94, and minus 10 is equals to 84. So we got the same answer. So there are 84 students who got none.
So that's all. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope you understand. And thank you so much for your time. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you.